Good morning. You know, babies, the thought of the day is make today so awesome that yesterday gets jealous. What does that mean? It means every day is a special day. Every day you should be happy that we are alive. Don't think about past. Don't think that yesterday I was sad, so today also I will stay sad. You should be happy every day. Okay. Good morning everyone. I am back again. And we are going to do recap of letter H. You know, recap is very important when you're learning a new letter. And which letter did you write yesterday? Letter H, correct. And what is the sound that letter H makes? Now you repeat. Very good. And now I will tell you something which is very close to my heart. Oops, I have disclosed the topic of the day. The topic of the day is heart. You know, heart starts with letter H. And heart is one of the most important body part. And I will give you the tips that how can you keep your heart healthy. Baby, the first tip is keep moving. You must do some kind of exercise every day. You can get involved in some kind of yoga or cycling. Second tip is eat healthy food. Eat lots of fruits, vegetables, drink milk, water. And the third tip is reduce your screen time. I know you're watching a lot of TV. That is wrong. And fourth tip is avoid junk food. I know you like your burgers, french fries, but you should not eat all these things. That is not good for your heart. And the last tip is take a good night's sleep. Okay, so all these things are important for a healthy heart. Great. And now we are going to do a nice heart craft. Go and get your scrapbook, the blue color scrapbook, and we are going to paste a heart shape in that. Okay. This is my paper heart shape cut out. So what are we going to do? We are going to paint it. Let's paint it. See, we have taken red paint and brush, and now we are painting our heart shape cutout. What is the color of a heart? Red color. What else is red in color? Even the apple is red in color. Cherry is red in color. But why we are coloring heart shape today? Because we are learning about letter H. And heart starts with letter H. You have to cover the entire shape. Very nice. Good job. Once this coloring is finished, you have to keep it under the sun for drying up. And after that, you can paste this heart shape in your scrapbook. Remember that you have to paste it in your scrapbook. Very good. See, the heart shape is ready. whenever you're doing a painting work, always keep a hardboard under that shape for the better grip. Good job. Morning, baby. Today we are going to do page 88 of our book. I'm going to tell you the formation of letter H. And what is the sound that letter H makes? That is correct. And what is the formation of letter H? From the red dot, come down by making a standing line. Go up again on the same line and stop in between. Over here, make a curve. It is a bumpy bump. Come on, make a bumpy curve. And then come down again. Letter H. Before you start writing in your workbook or notebook, you need to give yourself practice of writing big letter H. Okay? And now we will name the pictures that begin with the sound of letter H. This is hammer. This is hat. Hat. Now everyone touch your hair. This is harmonium. This is a musical instrument. This is a hockey. And this is a helicopter. And now we are going to write here in the lines. This is a tall letter. Tall letter means we will start from the red line and we will stop here at the second blue line. Let's start. Standing line. Go up till the blue line and a bumpy curve. Come down again and stop here. This is letter H. Let's do it one more time. Standing line, go up and a bumpy curve. Then come down. Now we will write it here again. One standing line. Stop at the second blue line. Go up again. Up, 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 up. And stop here. And from here make a curve like this. This is letter H. Now you have to finish this page and please send the picture to your teachers. Okay, babies. This is page 89 of your book. On this page, we have to tick the animals whose name begin with the sound of letter H. And then we need to take them to their homes because they're missing their homes. What is this? This is a hen. Hen starts with letter H. And the sound is and you know what? Hen lives in a coop. So we will match it like this. Good job. What is this? This is hippo. Hippo lives in the water. So we will take hippo here in the pond. What is this? This is a horse. Horse starts with which letter? Correct. H. And you know what? Horse lives in a stable. Join it like this. And this is a honeybee, small little honeybee. Honeybee lives in beehive. All the honeybees, they live together. And this is a beehive which you can see on the top of the tree. And this is a crow. Crow doesn't start with letter H. So we will not match it. Okay, now finish your matching activity.